Let's create file addition.sh where we can practice functions. On the first line, start with shebang. And what we are going to do, we will do the addition of two numbers. So start with asking user for entering first number. Now store the answer into variable first, then ask for second number, and store the answer into variable second. Now we can call the function which will do addition of two entered numbers. So my function will be called addition and it takes two arguments, value of variable first and value of variable second. This function does not exist yet, we need to create it. But do you remember on the theory lecture? We need to write declaration of a function before the actual calling of that function. So function addition, and inside curly brackets I will write code. Firstly, let's assign into local variable first argument $1, and into local variable second assign second argument $2. Why we are creating local variables here? We don't need that now, but sometimes you want to change value of arguments while you don't want to change global variables. And also we are using here local variables as it is good example as you will see later. Now let's do the actual addition using command let. So result is equal first plus second. And we will write the result to the screen. Now, just as an experiment, increment local variable first, and also increment local variable second. Now the script is done, but we can ensure what are the values of variables first and second. So echo printing variables and on the next line another echo, and we will print output of variable first, and on the next line another echo command, and we will print to the screen value of variable second. You can save the script now, grant execute permissions, and you can run it. First number 5, second number 7, and the result is 12. Great, it is working. Please note that variable first has value 5 and value of variable second is 7. That means that values of that variables weren't changed even if we do incrementation in the function, because we incremented only local variables. If I try another numbers, for example, I can try number 10 and 20, it is working also. But what about some other numbers as, let's say, -10 and 2? It is working, the result is -8, great. But in function, we were using variable called result. Is that global variable? Yes, as we didn't use keyword local, the value of variable result is still the result of addition of two numbers, even though the function was finished. So we in the script can still work with value of variable result. If we run the script now and enter 3 and 5, we still see output of result. even we used it at the end of the script.